Good afternoon. I am Tejinder Singh. I am the Managing Director for Medal India Private Limited, which is a 100% owned subsidiary of Medal Medical Electronics, which is based out of Innsbruck in Austria. And we set up the direct subsidiary operation in India in 2006. And prior to that, it was a distributor operation since 1991. And having set up the subsidiary operation, the company is fully committed and to the future of hearing implants in India and to providing these devices and services to the people of this country. The vision is very clear: to alleviate hearing impairment, which is a worldwide vision for the company, is to provide opportunities for people who have a hearing impairment to get back into the mainstream of life and to lead a life as a normal human being. Also to become contributors to society rather than being burdens of society due to a handicap. That is the vision that we have for a company. Is to provide hearing health care and devices to alleviate hearing impairment as much as we can. It's not a matter of targets at this point of time because we are not a sales driven company. We are a company who would like to build cochlear implant programs which are robust and which are helping the hearing impaired children, so that the programs require a lot of synergy, they require a lot of commitment. So therefore it's not a question of numbers, it's a question of how well we can service and serve our people.